do 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 do. Hey, we are gonna go on a walk.
I don't want to.
You're gonna love it.
I'm not.
It's gonna be great.
It's a squirrel.
Where?
Right there.
Where?
Right there.
Where?
Next to the pole.
Ooh, there's a squirrel. There it goes. Hunting for nuts. There he is. See his little fluffy butt? Is he pooing?
He could be.
So we are going to go on a walk.
I don't want to.
It's going to be great.
It won't be great.
We're looking forward to it.
I'm not looking forward
It's going to be
it.
wonderful.
It's not gonna be
We're going to have a great time.
I'm not going to have a great time.
It's still cool outside.
I don't like it.
Say cheese.
I could just complain all this time.
You could.
Yeah.
But you're going to go anyways if you complain.
Yeah, I'm still going to be complaining. You're going to think it's annoying.
Not going to stop us.
We both know that's going to happen. And you're going to be like, please stop complaining. I'll be like, no, I'm good. You're the one that took me here.
Cook you here?
Took me here. I said took.
Look how cute you are.
Stop.
All right, here we go. Does not want to be near you, Zoe. It's not going to love you. It's going to, you know, if it crawls and attacks your face, I'm going to laugh. You see him running away? Okay, shimmy yourself up that tree. I'd love to see it happen. It's on the other side. He's on the ground. He went to another tree. Yeah, go ahead and start climbing. I'll be here when you get back. Ready? Go ahead. Start climbing. Oh, so we're done? Isn't it pretty?
Not really.
Yeah, it is.
No.
So apparently I walk too slow for that thing over there. Can you see her? There she is. We wave to her. She refuses to wave back. Apparently I take too long. I like to take too many pictures. I'm embarrassing, but she's a teenager, so I guess that's normal. She's so cute, though. I love her. It's a nice little park. Just enjoying ourselves. Well, I'm enjoying myself, that's for sure. We just got here. Can we just enjoy ourselves here? Why? It's not even hot yet. You're gonna sweat because that's what we do. Gosh, you look miserable. So miserable.
It's hot here. I don't want to be here anymore.
Alright guys, well, this is our short-lived nature walk.
Yeah. Short. Yay.
Say bye, Zoe. Juices, we're going where there's air conditioning.